Hey everybody, you'll see on my screen right now I have Precalc CLP lesson number 10 up. And the reason I'm bringing this to your attention is I'm noticing a lot of people are getting incomplete or incorrect graphs for number 3, which is parametric equations. The picture is an epicycloid. And for number 4, you should get a rose curve given by the polar equation. Now, I taught this using TI-84s as the driver of the instructions. I had reasons for doing that, such as letting you guys see what your calculator could do, and you can use it on high stakes tests that DESMOS and other web apps aren't offered yet or allowed. But due to the difficulties, I'm going to switch over right now to DESMOS and show you how you can graph it on DESMOS in a little bit more of a foolproof way. So here is my DESMOS window, and I have my CLP number 10 paper in front of me, and we'll do problem number 3, which is graphing the parametric equations. To do parametrics in DESMOS, you have to enter it as an ordered pair. So you start with a parenthesis, and you put the x equation, of course, first. So that one is 4 cos parentheses t minus cos parentheses 4t and the end parentheses. Okay, comma, space, now the y portion of the parametric equations, which would be the same thing but sine. So 4 sine t, and I hit caps lock because I can't type right. 4 sine t minus sine 4t. Boom. Now, you don't see very much graph here because the t parameter is set only between 0 and 1. You generally have to go to 2 pi to see the entirety of these things. 2 pi is the complete period for sine and cosine, which is 6.28. So watch what happens if I set this to 7. Bam. Okay, you see the whole thing. So let me zoom in on this for a minute. Okay, this is just entered as an ordered pair, where this is the x part, comma, the y part of the parametrics. Make sure your t max is to 7, and you see this epicycloid, which looks kind of like a cloud. How about that? So, I apologize. We're kind of flying the plane as we're building it. In retrospect, I think DESMOS is a heck of a lot easier, and maybe we'll use DESMOS more in the future. We'll see. It's a great exploratory tool. Now, before I adjourn this video, let's try doing the polar equation number 4, the rose curve. I did not vet this ahead of time, so if this works, well, won't we all be happy? Okay, number 4, it says polar equation for rose curve. R equals 2 sine parentheses theta, which I'm going to type the word theta, T-H-E-T-A. Aha, it worked. Slash 5. There it is. That is the rose curve. It kind of looks like a heart circumscribed by a circle, something like that. And boy, you're a lot less prone to make an error than you are in the TI-84. Now, I think, the TI-84, that was instructive because you got to have to work with mode and window and format, but I think this is more foolproof. So if you have not done CLP lesson 10, or maybe the prior polar and parametric equations, or you want to go back and review some of this to see what the graph should look like, DESMOS just might be your ticket. I hope this helps. Thank you guys very much. Take care, and I miss you all. Bye.